Yeah, it's just lovely to come on a day that's really special for Indian sport. And what a brilliant story as well. I think Manu's story is incredible after the disappointment of what happened in Tokyo. These kinds of achievements take years of sacrifice, take a lot of hard work, a lot of perseverance, resilience. Yeah, firstly, thanks Gaurav, and just lovely to be here. It's lovely to be in Paris. Lovely to be in India House as well. I think it's just incredible what they've created out here, and just feels nice to come here as well. So yeah, it's just lovely to come on a day that's really special for Indian sport. And what a brilliant story as well. I think Manu's story is incredible after the disappointment of what happened in Tokyo. To come here and to be able to get over that, to be able to come here and compete and to be able to win a bronze medal is a phenomenal achievement. These kinds of achievements take years of sacrifice, take a lot of hard work, a lot of perseverance, resilience, and I think you just know how hard it is for sportsmen and what they go through, and so much depends on just these few days in a lot of their lives. I can imagine the kind of pressure that it involves for a lot of these sports, because this is the pinnacle of their sport, and the Olympics is it doesn't get bigger than the Olympics for a lot of those sports, and for her to be able to do that at this age, to be able to put that performance under pressure was a phenomenal achievement. Our great congratulations to her, and truly a great day for Indian sport. What an inspiring story for so many young boys and girls back home in India as well. The only small chance that I had of experiencing something like this, and obviously not the Olympics, but there was cricket in the Commonwealth Games. I think it was in 1998, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was Malaysia. And India sent a team, but we had at the same time we had a series in Canada, in Toronto. We were playing Pakistan in Toronto, and they split the Indian team into two parts. They sort of had one set of boys go to Toronto and one set of boys go to Malaysia. And I was hoping and praying and I would be in the team to Malaysia. Unfortunately for me, I was...
Yeah, I admitted it was just for the easy runs.
But no, I think, so you've grown up with the Olympics. I think if you've been a sports fan, if you've loved sport as I have, we've grown up watching the Olympics. I mean, my earliest memories are of, Carl Lewis winning Olympics, and the television coming into India in those days, and all of us glued to those television sets to watch these great athletes perform and play. And so many of the Indian athletes as well, who participated in these Olympic Games. We've always wanted to be a part of a great event. We have our great events in cricket, we have our World Cups, but they're individual events. They're only cricketers at those events. They're the greatest cricketers in the world who come together in one country to play those great events. But here to be in this kind of environment, this kind of energy, this kind of vibe, it's a dream come true for any sportsman to be a part of that. And it always felt that cricket should be involved in events like this. It's truly a great game. It's followed and watched by so many people in the world. But it's just fantastic, from someone like me who's now really a fan. For me to be able to see and to see cricket in the Olympics that's going to be a part of this, I think is truly phenomenal. So obviously, unfortunately, I won't be able to play in 2028.
Never seen it.
Unless they're going to play 10-day test match or something. Unfortunately, I won't be able to play as a player, but I'm certainly going to make all an effort to be at Los Angeles in some capacity or the other. You guys can, if not anything, at least I'll take a media job. You guys can organize a media job. Jeff can organize me as some volunteer or something in the cricket.
पेरिस ओलंपिक में मनु भाकर ने भारत देश को ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जिताया है। तो सभी देशवासियों को और मनु भाकर को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ, और उनके पेरेंट्स को भी बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ जिन्होंने हमारा देश का मान ओलंपिक में बढ़ाया है। और मैं आज यहाँ महाराष्ट्र के दंगल में मैं आई हूँ, तो मेरे सभी खिलाड़ियों से, सभी महिला खिलाड़ियों से, पुरुष खिलाड़ियों, सभी पहलवानों से मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि आप भी दिन रात मेहनत करते रहिए। आप जिस तरह आज दंगल का आयोजन हुआ है, बहुत ही शानदार दंगल, मिट्टी का दंगल हुआ है, तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि क्योंकि मिट्टी के दंगल को ओलंपिक में अभी तक मान्यता नहीं है, तो मैट के आप मिट्टी के साथ साथ मैट के दंगल मैट के ऊपर भी अपनी अपनी परफॉर्मेंस वहाँ पे भी वहाँ पे भी और ओलंपिक की सोच करके आप तैयारी करें।
बहुत बहुत बधाई
चाय पकौड़ा जरूर लेके जाए
और शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूंगा कि उन्होंने भारत के सम्मान को, हरियाणा के सम्मान को, तिरंगे के सम्मान को ऊंचा किया है। उनको बहुत बहुत बधाई और शुभकामनाएं मैं देता हूं। और जो मेडलों की झड़ी है इस ओलंपिक गेम में, वो हरियाणा के हमारे सभी खिलाड़ी वो बड़ी संख्या के अंदर लेकर के आएंगे। मैं उन सब के उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करता हूं, सभी को बधाई देता हूं। और मनु भाकर जी जो पहला मेडल वो लेकर के आई हैं, उनको बहुत बहुत बधाई।
काफी बच्चे